So as last class I discussed accounting, that is a cycle. Start with the transactions, identification of the transactions. Next one is the documentations. After that, recording in the journals.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please could you make everyone attendees?
Okay. After the journals, next one is the ledgers. Then balance. Then trial balance. Then final accounts. All statements are the financial statements. No issues. So this is the entire process of the accounting segment. Start with the transactions. Already last class I discussed. Yes, last class already transaction. It is exchange of the money worth between the two persons is called as a transaction. So it is a proof for the documentation. It is a proof for the transaction as completed. Journal. This is the first time recording. Those books is called as a journals. So in this journal already I discussed the classification of the accounts and the rules of the accounts. So what are the classifications of the accounts? Personal account, real account, and nominal account. I discussed in the last class rules of the accounts. What are those? Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Next one is the nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. This is the double accounting system rules of the accounts. These three classification: personal account, real account, nominal account. These are the double accounting system. That is the rules of the accounting. The first time recording those books is called as a journal. Here there are two types: general ledgers and special journals. Special journals will become subsidiary books. I will discuss when we are doing problems. Come to the after the journal. The next one is the ledger. It is a summarizing of the individual transactions where recorded, where posted. Those books is called as a ledger. Remember, it is an individual summarizing of the similar accounts where they are posted. That book is called as a ledger. It is an individual summarizing of the accounts. Those recording, those posting is called as a ledger. Understood? It is an individual accounts, summarizing of the individual accounts. Those books is called as a ledger. So previous in the accounting equation, I told you cash. Sometimes we are paying, sometimes we are receiving. Correct or wrong? Yes, no response.
Example. Yes, sir.
Cash. In the accounting equation, I told you cash. Sometimes he brought owner to the business. Same time, see, we purchased some assets and payment to the purchasing of the goods or purchasing of the various building, land, whatever. In this case, what happened? Cash is coming and cash is going from the business. Cash is coming from the business. Cash going from the business and coming from the business. In the accounting equation, I told you, brought owner, for example, 1 lakh. Example, owner. Then he purchased a building. I wrote here that, for example, 20,000. Then remaining balance. Then again sales. It means cash come to the business, 50,000. So in this case, 1,30,000. Just we are doing as a roughly. Whenever I are doing as accounting equation, I discuss like this for your understanding purposes. But there is a specific books are there. Individual. What is the individual? It is a cash account. All the transactions which are related to the cash, individual accounts, those will be posted. That book is called as a ledger. After the journal, the next step is a ledger. In come to the journals, here it is a format, debit, credit, and cash. We are writing all these transactions. But after this, it will be posted to the ledger. Cash, okay. What are the cash transactions? So cash coming or going. So what are the transactions are which are related to the cash? It is a cash is a individual account. Those are summarizing. It means all the transactions which are related to the cash will be posted in the particular cash book. Cash account is called as a ledger. The format I will tell you. Is it visible? Non-commercial students, don't confuse. Don't worry about this one. We will do some problems on this because today only few students are there. That's why I wanted to finish this accounting side. Ledger. This is the. May I erase this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will write to here. CR, DR, LF, and D. What is this format? This format.
Journal entries.
Very good. Journal entries. This is the format for the journal entries. So all the journal entries first time recording. That is the first column date, particulars, ledger following number, debit and credit. This is the first time recording. Those books is called as a journals. After that, this transaction will be posted to the ledgers. It means individual summarizing of the transactions where they posted those books is called as a, that is the ledger. Okay. Now this is the format for the ledger. First column date. Here particulars JF amount. Next date particulars JF amount CR DR. It is a ledger account. It is called as a sometimes T accounts also. Don't confuse. Left side, first one, date, particulars, JF, general following number, amount. Again start with the date, particulars, JF and amount. Credit, where this transaction is credit, that will be recorded here, that will be posted here. Where the ledger account will be debited, that will be posted here. This is the format for the ledger accounts. So it is a form of the T accounts. Left and right. Both are the equal columns. Ledger. Again, date, particulars, JF. See, last time I told you, LF. Here, for example, page number 2 is there. This will be recorded here, page number 2. What is the page number here? That will be recorded here. Okay, this is the nothing. It is a, when we are using as a practical. Of course, nowadays Due to this is the Tally, Focus, Wings, various accounting softwares, almost manual preparation of the accounts has gone. So nowadays this is the not useful. Okay, don't confuse all these things. Date, particulars, journal following number. This page number will be recorded here. This page number will be recorded here. That is the column. Next one is the amount, date, particulars, JF and amount. This is the ledger. See one example. In the previous I told you cash account data to capital. For example, this is the debit 10,000 and 10,000. Next one, goods purchase, building purchase, building account data to cash account. This is the 5,000.
Sir, is this an example?
No, just I'm explaining with the example. I'm explaining how it will be posted to the ledger.
Okay, sir.
This is the previous. Already I told you cash, bill, etc. Some of the. This is the posted recorded in the journals. I will do all the problems. Don't confuse. Here, after this journal, next one is the posting to the ledger. Ledger is nothing but don't confuse. It is an individual summarizing of the transaction where posted those books is called as a ledgers. For example, cash, debit, because owners started a business, cash coming to the business. Cash is the debit or credit as per the real account? Debit. So first account is the cash. Now you prepare cash account. It means individual account, cash account. So what are the transactions comes under the cash? Either may be received, either may be payment. Here we have to speak either may be debit, either may be credit. So what are the transactions which are related to the cash, individual cash? So those will be posted here. This book is called as a ledger. So what are the transactions which are related to the cash? Here cash. First one, it is a debited. Come to the debit column. To capital. Cash account data to capital. 10,000. Non-commerce students understand. Here, why cash is the debit? Cash coming. One more important, if you remember the simple logic, when you are preparing as a cash account, if cash comes to the business, you write here. If the cash payment, you write here. Then it is a very simple to understand. Okay, so this is a cash finish. Next one is the capital limit. Now we are preparing only cash. Where is cash? Sri Chandana, are you there today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Cash, debit or credit? Cash. Where it is? If it is to cash, I wrote here 5,000. Which column? CR means credit. Is it? Sri Chandana. Any problem with your MIC or not understanding?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, no, just a moment. Because non-commerce student is very, very fundamentally. Please. Sri Chandana, are you there? If you are not understanding, please tell me. I will try to explain again. Are you there? At least to text message if you have any problem with your.
Sir, she sent a message. Problem with my mic. It's in the chat box.
I didn't get.
It's in the chat box, sir.
Okay. So here, building purchasing. When we building purchasing, we paid cash. So cash is the credit. So come to the year to
by cash account.
So what is that? Amount 5,000, 5,000. 5,000, 5,000. So this is the cash. It means all transactions which are related to the cash will be posted in particular place. Individual transaction will be posted. Those books is called as a ledger. It means all the cash transactions. Maybe there are so many cash transactions are there in the business. All will be posted in the particular book. That is called as a cash book. It is called as a ledger. It is called as a ledger. Now cash, here debit, again it will be payment. That's why it is here. Now how much cash balance with you? How much cash balance? I started a business with 10,000. I purchased building 5,000. How much cash balance
Sir.
with me? Yes,
5,000.
5,000.
5,000. This is called as a finding of the balance. This is called as a finding of the balances. How will we find here in the ledger? Here, remember, comma student, non-comma students, both sides must be right equal. Which side is the highest? This column or debit? This column or credit? First, you have to do rougher. Which one is the highest? Total debit side 10,000. And total credit side how much? 5,000.
5,000.
So which one is the highest? Debit column?
Debit side.
Debit
10,000. Column, sir.
Which one is the highest?
Debit column.
Debit column.
Debit column, sir.
First you write 10,000 and same equal 10,000.
By balance card.
10,000, 10,000 equal. Non-comma students. Which first you have to see left side. These are the debit amount. Total rougher. Credit total rougher. Here this example. This is the debit side total 10,000. I wrote here. And credit side total is the 5,000. So this is the highest. Both sides will be right. Equal lines. 10,000, 10,000. The remaining balance. How much?
5,000.
Dividends how much? 5,000. Credit to debit. What is the difference?
5,000.
5,000. Which side is the less?
Credit.
This side. Here 10,000 okay. But here if you write 5,000, this total will be equal. This is the balance. This balance is called as a to balance carried out. Balance carried out. Where is less? Sometimes may become here. Sometimes may become here. Less amount. First only fundamental logic remember. First what is the total this left side? What is the total right side? Make a rough. Debit total left side is called as a debit. Here 10,000, here 5,000. Which is the highest? First you write both sides equal. Then where is the balance is less, that time the difference you can write here. That difference is called as a balance carried out. The same amount will become here under this after 5,000. This is called as a to balance.
Balance brought down.
So don't confuse all these things. I will explain again this problem. This is called as a ledgers and finding of the balance. Okay. So what is the next one is the first two transaction, documentation, journals, ledgers, balances. Of course, this is a part of the ledger. Don't confuse. Balances. Balance is the part of the ledger only. I will explain you for your. Okay. After that, next one is the trial balance. Next one is the trial balance. So this is the accounting cycle. Transactions, documentation, journals, ledger. After this, balances. Don't confuse. Balance is the part of the ledger. I discussed it because non-commerce students can easily understand. That's why I discussed here finding of the balances. Balance is also part of the ledger. After the balance, the next step is the trial balance. So what is the trial balances? What are the rules of the accounting? Personal account.
Debit receiver. Credit
Credit
real
giver.
account.
Cash received from, please understand, cash received from Mr. Mohan. Cash received from Mr. Mohan. Mohan is the debit or credit?
Credit, sir.
Credit.
Credit,
Credit.
sir.
Debit.
Credit.
Who said debit?
Credit.
It's
Srinivas?
credit. No, sir. I told credit only.
No, just this is one of the important. Yes, he said cash is the Mohan is the debit, na? Somebody has told na debit Mohan.
Sir, credit, sir.
No, let me. I'm coming to the point. Somebody told that is the debit. Actually, cash account, cash coming to the business. According to the real account, debit what comes in? Cash. Rules of the double accounting system. Number of times I'm telling you. According to the real account, debit what comes in? Cash coming to the business. Is correct? As for
Yes,
that.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Mohan. Which account?
Personal account.
Personal account.
Now Mohan giving cash or taking cash? Is the giver or
He's
receiver?
giving. He's giving.
Giver,
He's
sir.
the giver.
Giver.
Is the giver. Absolutely right. According to the personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Now here credit is the Mohan.
Yes, sir.
But he
Yes,
said
sir.
debit. His book he wrote Mohan account. In his book Mohan he made as a debit and automatically other account must be cash. Correct? One is the debit, another one is the credit. This is the wrong transaction. Correct or right?
Yes, sir.
So this type of the mistakes, this type of the errors will be finding in the trial balance. Trial balance is nothing but summarizing of the balances. With the help of the trial balance, we know that as per the accounting rules and regulation, each transaction from the beginning to the up to the balances, as per the accounting rules and regulation, whether it is correctly posted in the journal, correctly recorded in the ledger, and finding of the balance is correctly or not, all will be known when you prepare as a trial balance. Understood? So this is the crown. This type of the any mistakes will be found in the trial balance. Of course, actually what happened? Cash account data to Mohan account, this is the absolutely correct. But while recording the journal entries, we wrote Mohan account data to cash account. Otherwise, we wrote Mohan debit and again cash also debit. But Mohan is supposed to be is the giver. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Mohan supposed to be credit, but he took wrongly as a mistaken Mohan also debit. So journal finding ledger balance come to the trial balance. This will be known. There is some mistakes. Any mistakes happen while posting in the while recording the journal or posting to the ledger. Just now previous I told you finding the balances. Anything mistakes happen during this process, these three process, that will be known with the help of the trial balances when you are preparing. Trial balance is nothing but simply to know the as per the accurately as per the accounting rules and regulation whether correctly recorded, posted or finding of the balances is correctly or any wrongly. That will be known with the help of the trial balance. That will be known with the help of the trial balance. What is the format this one? What is the format? DR, CR. Okay, particulars. You write here trial balance of XYZ company order. Debit balance, credit balance. Just 10,000. Here whatever may be 10,000. If both will be equal after the balances, that will be posted, that will be recorded in the trial balances. both debit total and credit total must be equal. Both debit total, that after the balances, that will be posted to the trial balances. All the balances will be posted. Debit balance debit, credit balance credit. After that, when you find this total and this total will be equal. If it is not equal, there may be some mistakes happen. Either may be wrongly amount taken, either maybe just now this is the Mohan, instead of the Mohan credit, he wrote as a debit. So this is a mistake. Then this will not be equal. If any mistakes happen in the journals, ledger, either may be amount also, whatever it may be, that will be known when you preparing as a trial balance. Just now, what is that? Cash received from Mohan, 10,000 I told you. Actually, cash account data to Mohan, correct? This is the correct. But here cash I received 10,000. By mistake I wrote here 9,900. Or by mistake 1,000. I forgot put one more zero. But debit and credit, as per the double accounting system, total debit amount equal to total credit amount. But here 10,000, 1,000. There is a mistake. Of course, cash account debit, Mohan account credit. This is the correct. But here also we did mistake amount. Here 10,000, the credit also must be 10,000. But instead of the 10,000, by mistake we took as a 1,000. So this type of the mistakes also we can find here. It means if it is come to this total, it will not be equal. It will not be equal. It means it is called as a tally. It will not be equal. So this type of the mistakes we can find when you are preparing as a trial. Okay? Any doubts? Now all this I will give you one example. Problems I will discuss with you. Then only you can understand simple. Now I am discussing only theoretical concept. Sirijandana, non-common students, please raise any doubts. Yes. No doubts? Non-common students. What is that next? There is the documents. Okay. Transactions, documents, journals, ledgers, then balance is also part. Next one is the trial balance. Next one is the final accounts. This is also called as a, don't confuse, final accounts or financial statements. Financial statements, don't confuse. Again start with this one. This is the entire accounting cycle. Transaction, documentation, journals, ledger, then trial balance, then final. Financial statement.
Final. Yes.
Final accounts. Don't confuse. Financial statement or final accounts. Here, what is the purpose you are studying this one? What is your result? Of course, you are studying this financial accounting. So at the end of this, you are applying NCP 1, NCP 2, midterm, NPC 3, and end semester examination. All you are writing. What is the purpose? What is the final?
To know the progress of a student.
Result.
Progress of the student, nothing but you are getting as a good grade or bad grade, whatever it may be. Simple, pass or fail. If it is yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Pass or fail. In general language, we can say as a whether this financial accounting or business statistics you pass or fail, that will be known after the all the process. Like you are attending NCP 1, midterm, NCP 3, final examination, all these things, you will be know your result. You will be know as a your result. What is the result? whether maybe pass or fail. Whether you pass, which grade is A, B, C, that is a different. If you fail, fail, finish. So final result. Here also the main purposes of the anybody starting business for the purposes of the profit. Correct or wrong? Any business
Yes,
or
sir.
what is the purpose? To know about the profitability. Yeah, recording account is all this is accounting. What is the accounting? Recording, posting, summarizing, classifying, and intimating result to the needed person. What is the intimating? About the profitability position. Correct or not? So now final accounts indicated what is the profitability and financial position of the organization during the particular financial period is called as a financial statements. To know the profitability position, of course you are studying this one, whether you pass or fail. Whether you pass, how is the performance? Grade A, B, C, D, all these will be there. Of course, if you pass, what is your performance? Grade A, B, C, like this. Here also, the final accounts, financial statements are two. One is the profit and loss account, and another one is the balance sheet. These two is called as a financial statements. Simple language I am telling you as a for the sole trade partnership, sole trading accounts. If it is partnership also similar, but they have to prepare some more accounts living. But the basic concept is the financial statements is included profitability, the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Here financial account is one is the profit and loss account. Another one is the balance sheet. Profit and loss account and balance sheet. So up to we are preparing trial balance. At the end of the financial period, yes, Mohan Gupta, you wanted to say something? Mohan.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, we cannot see the lower part of the board. Could you like adjust the camera, please?
Oh, just.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. See here. Financial statements. Nothing but simply general we can say as a to know the about the final result. Here in the business organization, final result is the included profit and loss account and balance sheet. Whether the organization has a profit or loss, that will be known with the help of the profit and loss account on the basis of the trial balance information. After this trial balance simply what is the total debit, what is the total credit. But we don't know how much profit earned by the organization, how much losses earned by the organization. Those information is not available in the trial balance. It shows only where accuracy of the posting, ledger, all these things is as per the accounting rules and regulations are correctly recorded, posted or not, that will be known. When you are preparing as a financial statement or final accounts, we know about the profitability position and financial position of the organization. Here, profit and loss account, one account, and another statement is the balance sheet. Here, profit or loss. How you know profit? Tell me anyone, profit. Income is less than expenditure or income is more than expenses?
Income is more than expenses.
Income is more than the expenditure.
Absolutely. So what are the incomes are there? What are the expenses are there? What is the difference between these two? That will be known with the preparation of the profit and loss account. Understood? What are the incomes? What are the expenses are there? You have to find out in the trial balances. So the difference we are going to find out. The difference either may be profit, either may be loss. So generally income is more than expenditure, then it is called as a profit. If the expenditure is more than the income, that is called as a loss. You know what are the incomes, what are the expenditure. So incomes and expenditures comes which account?
Nominal account.
Nominal account.
Nominal. So all the transactions which comes under the nominal account will be taken into the profit and loss account. Like expenses, incomes, rent paid, office salaries, office rent, telephone bills, transportation, maintenance, general expenditure, all will become what are the expenses. Then you have to find out what are the incomes. The difference between these two is known as a either may be profit, either may be loss. That will be known with the preparation of the first one is that is the profit and loss account. Non-common students don't confuse trading and profit and loss account, it is called, but popularly we can say as a profit and loss account. While when we are doing as a problems, I will explain you trading and profit and loss account. Okay? Common students, this doubt may be arise to you. Still now nobody has asked me why not preparation of the trading account and profit and loss account. So
Yes, sir.
trading account is a part of the profit and loss account, but expenditures we are dividing as a separately direct expenditure and indirect expenditure. Don't confuse all these things. The financial statement is the mainly profit and loss account and balance sheet. Here all are the incomes and expenditures will become here balance sheet. So balance sheet, for example, your business statistics you passed. Whether your performance is passed is good or not, how you know?
By the result at the end.
Yes, it means which grade you got. Is it correct? Of course, I
Yes,
told
sir.
you all of you passed. But what is the important is there? Which grade you passed?
Yes, sir.
So it means your performance indicated about your grading. They correct or wrong? Your grading shows about your performance, whether you got better performance or not. For example, if you got A, it means it is a good performance. Of course, you pass. B grade also called as a pass. D, it is a better performance. B grade, it is a better performance.
No, sir.
So how you know when you are finding out your grading system, whether the business performance is the good or not, that will be known with the help of the balance sheet. Simple. It is a summarizing of the various assets and liabilities where they are entered. Those is called as a balance sheet. It is a summarizing of the simple balance sheet definition. It is a summarizing of the various assets and liabilities is called as a balance sheet. Non-commercial students, it is a balance sheet is the summarizing of the various assets and liabilities. With the help of this balance sheet, we know the financial performance of the business organization. I am repeating again, with the help of the balance sheet, we know the financial performance and condition of the organization. Of course, you got as a. How you know about your grading system? Your academic grading system with the help of the A, good performance. So all this will be known with the help of the preparation of the balance sheet about the financial position and condition of the business organization. Understood? Yes. Any doubts? Yes. Tell me. Pinjal, please tell me.
No, sir, nothing. I said yes.
So, accounting cycle start with the identification of the transactions, documentation. Documentation nothing but it is a proof for the transaction has completed. The next one is the journals, where they are recording first time. Those books is called as a journals. Here two types I will explain you during the problems. Next one is the ledger. Individual summarizing of the transaction where they are posted, those books is called as a ledger. After that, finding of the balances, whether the as per the accounting rules and regulations is whether correctly recorded, posted or not, be known with the help of the preparation of the trial balances. Then after, with the help of the trial balances, next one is the finding of the, that is the profitability position and financial position of the organization. With this financial period will be finished. Next again, start your next semester like this. Next again, next semester. Start next financial period. So this is the round the clock is called as a accounting cycle. Where it is start with the identification of the transaction, end with the final accounts. After the final accounts, this financial period has completed. Next again start next financial period with again start with the identification of the transaction. This is the entire cycle is called as a accounting cycle. Okay, so today finish. Next class we have any less students due to the festival. Next class I will start with the journal entries. Or just now I told you journal entries, ledger, trial balances, and final accounts. All the problems I will explain. 2-3 classes. Then it is easy to understand. Okay, na?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sir, when will
Yes,
be
sir.
the recipe one of
Yeah, please tell me. So when we can take examination, please tell me so that I can put my schedule.
Sir, tell us
22nd,
range of dates.
22nd to 26th we can conduct. Shall we, can I conduct it on 22nd? Is it okay, comfortable with all of you? Or 25th to 26th? Which date you want?
Sir, on 26th we have exam.
26th.
Sir, 22nd, sir.
22nd
22nd
is
is
okay, sir.
fine.
22nd?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Okay. So I do one thing. Tomorrow we can start with the journal entries. So then after I will give you up to the journals. I will give full theory material. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So just regarding the notes, don't worry. If you want, you can buy better book. SN Maheshwari you can buy financial accounting.
Sir, the PPTs you provided in Teams, is it fine to refer that? Will it be okay?
Same thing with the theoretical explanation in my notes. You can find out in the Word file.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, who wants to buy, you can buy SN Maheshwari financial accounting. Kanan Jain, okay, Jain Narayan. These are the, otherwise you better, my advice is better you can buy Jain Narayan if you want buy, because it may be useful for your management accounting also. I think maybe third semester you have Jain Narayan, Kalyani
Sir,
Publications.
Sir, you just drop those names in the chat box.
Oh. Just a moment. First one is the this SN Maheshwari Sultan Chand publication. Second one is the Jain Narayan Advanced Accounting Kalyani publication. Okay. These two books is more than enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just wait. I will download attendance. See, one more
Sir, do
point.
we have VRS?
Yes.
Do we have VRS, sir? VRS, bank revenue
Bank
statement.
account statement, yes. But I will discuss theory only. Problems very, how you can do this examination very difficult.
Yes, sir, it's very difficult to solve that question in the examination.
Especially NCA, this is online examination, very difficult.
Very difficult, sir.
I will discuss theoretical only.
Okay, sir.
Here also, final accounts also, I spread into three: trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Separate, because we have only 5 marks questions now. So balance sheet generally in the final accounts, it is a minimum 15 marks is required, and it will take minimum half an hour.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I split it to 3 separately: trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. 5 marks.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
I am not getting any doubts. No response from the non-commerce students. I am worried about them. Please, non-commerce students. Only Siri Chandra. So what's if I am asking also questions, there is no any response from you, except only few students are giving quick positive response. Janavi, are you commerce students or non-commerce students? Janavi. So this is the problem. Liquid,
Yes, sir.
commerce or non-commerce?
Commerce, sir.
See, I think mid or final, you wrote 2 exams now. That may be technical issues. Business statistics.
Sorry, sir.
Business statistics. I think one mid examination. I think there are 2 papers are there.
Me? No, sir. Only one. I wrote only one.
I remember.
There are 2 liquids, sir.
Maybe yeah. Shivatej. Simran. Okay. Anyway, most probably I am expecting this month or maybe this month I can see you all up in your campus. That time simply I can identify who are the commerce, who are the non-commerce students.
Sir, this month itself.
I am expecting more chances.
Sir, do update us if you get to know anything.
Sure.
So you know about offline class.
Most probably will be start soon.
When, sir? This month? Soon until this month or next month, sir?
Most probably you can expect this month only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, happy Mahashivratri.